Here's more alien skulls. Look how big this one is. We've seen this. Look at the curve right here on the head. I have no clue what kind of aliens that is. And these are just crystal skulls. Alright. This says nothing, but you can see the elongated head. There's another one at the light, 1998. These are fake. Another elongated. Ooh, this one's a big one. These are, I believe these are the Peruvian. This one still has hair on top of it. They did a DNA. It says a Paracas Necropolis culture skull with hair. Red hair. Amazing. They had red hair. This one, Nazca Skull Credit. Dating between 200 BC and 100 BC. So they did a DNA check on this one. And it belonged to an individual of the Nazca culture. Does this look like a human? What a joke. Skulls of the Gods. Discovered in Russia, a secret Nazi institution in the search for the origin of mankind. This one's a strange one. Back it out a little. Supposedly Hitler was involved in this. This is still the same picture. But this is one of the things that it was found with. And there's another one of them here. So they found two of them. I think these are just garbage. Alright. Here's the three of them. And you've seen those three already. And here's a complete collection. I believe these are in a Peruvian museum somewhere. Just the three of them. Trying to get an idea what these things look like. As you can see, the elongated heads. This is probably a cross between this. So the sons of God lays with the daughters of men and produced one of these with the elongated, not as long as the other ones. And here's another skull. You can see the difference between this and this. We've seen those. This one's pretty cool. Baby with the elongated skull. And that's just a tooth. This one's got the hair on it. The other one we've seen before had red hair. This one's got black hair. Here's the black hair. And there's the red hair. Amazing, right? Look at the preservation. This one, well, I don't know. Death Rituals. And I believe we've seen this. This is the 177. Another view of the redhead. This one ain't come up. There we go. Coneheads again, and more on Agenda Giant Warriors in Peru. Alright, next one. One of the 13 individuals with cranial deformation discovered in the cemetery in Mexico. I don't know what that is. Look at this one. This one's strange. This is the close-up. Skeletal remains resembling space aliens have been excavated from the basement floor of a centuries-old vault under the Vatican Library. So this is what they found. Amazing, right? There's backed up. This one's messed up. This is one of the strangest skulls ever found. Look how many holes. How many eyes does this thing have? 8 eyes, 2 on either side, 3. The bigger ones in the middle. Definitely a predator, right? And you see the big skulls from before. A lot of places are saying that these are fake. Who knows? Megalith.org. I believe this is real, or else this man would not be wearing these rubber gloves. One clue. Alright, let's get another one going. Alright, here we go. I have no clue what that is. And there's that skull again. Ooh, this one's got the third eye socket at an angle. And that's obviously Pompeii. Alright, this is the 20 inches from here to here, and then 20 inches from here to here on the body. I guess they're giving a representation of what this thing looked like when it was alive. That's fake. Fake. All fake. Alright, let's get the next one. Alright, once again, there's the ring that was buried with this. Top view looking down. Very interesting alien. Close up of the second being. Go top view, I guess. Ooh. This says 10,000. I have no idea what this is. But you see the big elongated skull. Fake. This one's real. This is probably a hybrid between one of the aliens and a human. And another hybrid. That looks, these two are identical. That's just a close-up of it. There's an explanation of this one somewhere, where they found it. Coming up. Light1998.com. That one's fake. You seen this one. This one I got better pictures of. Oh, there we go. This one was called the Andover Skull. The vampire. Experts say it is real. Here's another one. They're comparing this skull to this skull. This is a human. And then, what's this one? That's that messed up one. Look how big that head is. What kind of alien is that? Whatever it is, it must be smart. Alright? Alright, next one. This is that scary one. The Bulgarian alien skull. There's a bunch of alien skulls on one picture. They're trying to say that the Bulgarian alien skull was the alien suggested in Predator. As you can see, some likeliness. See right here, the mandibles here, mandibles here, mandibles there, mandibles there. So this skull is where this originated. So they obviously found this. 38-year-old in 2001. Who knows if most of this stuff is real? This skull was found in a 1,000-year-old Mexican cemetery. Different views. I don't know what that one is. In a Cochabamba Archaeology Museum in Bolivia, this is. What's this? Deforming skulls. this one was interesting. This is a mermaid skeleton found in Bulgaria. So if you Google mermaid skeleton in Bulgaria, you'll probably get a lot more images of this. So we want to do that. After we're done with this, I'm going to do that. Didn't work. Hate playing games with this. I put the cursor there, highlight it to M, Control C, and we'll save it till later, and we'll do another image search. There we go. Real news in Hollywood movies. There's the mandibles. There's the mandibles. And then they're trying to say that this one looks like this. So, and then you've seen this one. There's a little alien that Hitler had. See him right here. Right here. Hitler's two officers. And there's another view of that head. According to the new DNA analysis, the Paracas skulls could in fact be alien in origin. That's what it says. DNA results show Peru skulls are not from human origin. Anything else cool here? No. Here's a human with a flat board. They're saying they're deforming their heads. And then there's no scar. This is an alien skull. This one's cool. Look at this. Cyclops. This is from Bing Images. There's a Star Child skull. I have no idea what just happened. That just kicked us out, so let's go to the next one. Alright. These are the alien skulls of Paracas. Elongated head. Side view. This is 132. See how they numbered all these? We've seen 176, 177, 130 something. It was numbered on the back. Which one is this? It doesn't say. But notice that full head of hair. We'll back it up. There's the full head of hair. We already took a look at the redhead. And we have no clue what this one is. This is some type of being. We have no clue at all what this one was. Doesn't even look human. The little baby that they have somewhere. Look how small this thing is. Supposedly that was an alien. I don't know what that is. No clue. It's probably an animal though. It's not an alien. Oh, there's a Star Child again. The weird Andover skull. And this baby is referred to as alien hybrid human baby. Found in the remains in the Highlands. And you've seen this one already, but now you can see how small it is. Zoomed in, and then you've seen this. Not human. Cusco, Peru. DNA proved this is not a human. This is just the same picture. And there's that guy holding that one again. They're showing the difference between the skulls. An alien has three. I mean, a human has 3 lobes on the skull. This alien skull has a frontal and a back. No split down the middle, as you can see. Let's see, what else do we got? Human, alien. Ooh, the next one's good again. Seeing the difference. Human, alien. There's the Cyclops again. Next. This guy was at Area 51 and was a scientist there, and he said this was his hand and he was holding this small alien, and this is supposedly a real picture of an alien. Accidentally came across that. The reason why is they have real aliens, and they're showing the pictures I just showed you. Ooh, there's a redhead. Redhead, human, alien, and number 4, aliens. Got these 2 spots on the top of the head. What they are for, it says. Alien cone head skulls have 2 small holes in the top of the head. So, maybe they have things coming out the head? Who knows? Like little antennas. These are alien antennas. Alright, this is the Andover skull. We got a couple more coming up. This is the hydrocephalus skull deformity on an abnormal human. They're trying to say that this is a human. I don't think so. This is a man with a horn coming out of his head. I don't think it's for real. Now they're putting a human skull next to one of these giant skulls, 40% larger. And then, I don't know why it's not working. Alright, it kicked us out. This alien mummy was found in a Russian laboratory, abandoned. But as you can see, this does not look human. It was in the jar, they dropped the jar. Out came this. They have a close-up here. Star Child. No idea what this is. Demon Devil, Skull Halloween. This is a prop. Make Believe. Next one. Carbon dated at 12,000 AD. I mean 1200, sorry. So this skull right here is said to be 800 years old. This looks fake. It is fake. What are you kidding? Baby mummy with red hair from Peru. So this was a baby, elongated head. These all look fake. Next. Alright, this one I seen this mark right here. Kind of stuck out like a sore thumb. Let's see. These are all worthless. Hydrophaly and the Star Child. Not impressive. This was said it came from Sayre, Bradford County, Pennsylvania in 1880. There's 2 pictures of this. Here and here. I have no clue what this is. This one's big. There's a strange skull in a museum in Brazil. It was mummified when it was presumably brought from Egypt. Or a gray alien skull. No idea what this was modeled with. Human, but it's not a real primate skull, indicating obviously it is alien. And I found this weird one. Trepanning. But they didn't go all the way through. Why would somebody drill holes into your head? So this skull probably had things mounted on top of it, which I have no idea. Putting holes. And who knows what that is. There's the redhead. This one was called the Sealand Skull, was discovered at Olsiki during the replacement of old sewer pipes. We've seen those. We already pointed out in another video the large humans. And this is junk. Alright, I think we're done. Let's start Xing out all of these. Quite a lot of videos. Hope you enjoyed it.